Hello, I'm Damien Toman. Welcome to the third installment of 3-Minute Memorialism. We were discussing the modern status of the Memorial Society and here go the modern status of our relationship to death in the last installment. This time we're going to continue with the thoughts. You'll recall that I referred to the industrialization and depersonalization of death and the effect that has upon both the individual and culture. Today, I thought we'd touch upon also the vast commercialization of death, another thing with which we must necessarily be involved. Today, of course, as a common part of culture, we are almost surfeited, deluged by images referring to death, images moving and otherwise, images both plastic and visual in nature. I speak, of course, of things like the universal symbol of death, the skull, which you can find on essentially anything from clothing to purses to blankets to dolls for children. You can buy the image of the skull on anything at all. The question, of course, being, is this actually a reference to death, or is there something deeper happening? Moreover, we see images of death on television almost ceaselessly. The Walking Dead being an obvious example, but of course shows like CSI and other murder-related shows, ghost hunting-related shows. It's death everywhere, but it's not really death, because it's death that is used for commercial purposes as entertainment. Now, when a 12-year-old girl goes out and buys herself something with the image of a skull on it, we have to wonder the degree of consciousness of this girl regarding what that is actually representing and why that representation interests her, what it actually means to her. These are questions that the Memorial Society has to ask and will be asking in the future as we move forward as a sort of united front in the exploration of death in modern society. Thank you, of course, for watching. I will be with you again tomorrow. And don't forget to visit my website, thememorialsociety.com. If you ever get the chance, there is much more there. Have a wonderful day.